Hello everyone, let us now discuss this question clear digits in LeetCode 3174. It is an easy question. We are given with a string and this string will contain the digits and also alphabets. Now we need to remove all digits by doing this operation repeatedly. First digit should be removed and the closest non-digit character to its left should be removed. Return the resulting string after removing all digits. Here we are given with a string ABC and there are no digits in that string, so we will return the same string in our output. Now we have CB34. Let us go through this example. CB34. If you see here, this is not a digit, this is not a digit, and now I got this digit. My main problem is I am at this index which is 2. My I value is at 2. But if I remove this character, then 4 will come here, and I also need to remove the leftmost non-digit character, that means an alphabet. So if I remove these two, my string will become like C4, which is of only size 2 and my index is at 2. So it will give me a runtime error. So to not get that, we do not get that, so what will I do? I'll mark it as we need to remove this index and also the leftmost character or the alphabet to the digit is this. At this index I will mark it. Now I have to go through this 4 which is at index 3 and it is a digit, so I'll mark it. And there is the leftmost digit is not B. As I said, it is marked to remove. So the leftmost alphabet is this. So I'll mark it. Now, how do I get the string which I need to remove? So for that, I will initialize a new string where here, as I said, I am marking this as an into. So instead, I mark it as star. I will make those characters at those index of the string as star. Now, for new string, all the characters which are not is equal to star, then I will push back into the new s. Now, you might ask me how can I get the alphabets. So for that, I will use a stack here. For that, I will use a stack which stores the indices. So instead of naming it an indices, I will simply name it as stack. Now let's write the algorithm. For int I will be going through the size of s, so n till n. Now after that I have another thing. If it is a digit, I need to get the previous alphabet index. Now if is digit, if s of I is a digit, now what should I need to do? What I have to do? I'm marking this I as removing character. So s of I will be changed to star. Okay, is a digit, I need to change it to star. Now after that, I need to get the leftmost alphabet. So for that, if I need to also check whether there are characters or the alphabets to the left or not. So if st is not empty, then take the top index, take the top index or the left index. Let me write it as left index. Left index will be st dot top. Now after that, remove the topest index from the stack. Now I have removed it and I also got the index. Now s of left index should also be made as a star. Now if I got a digit, now else else s of I is, it is an alphabet, right? So st dot push the present index. So here else if it is an alphabet, then I'll push back into my stack. Now, this is how you solve this problem. After this for loop, I'll write another for loop. Before that, new s will be initialized an empty string int I is equal to 0. Wait a second. I is less than n, I plus plus, and new string will be if. So, if s of I is not is equal to star, then only the present character is pushed back into new s. New s dot push back s of I. So, this is how you solve this problem, and we will return our new s at the end. This is how you solve this problem. If you like this video and you have understood how we need to get the index and we should not remove the same index or at the same time. So this is my explanation. If you like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries, please don't hesitate to comment in the comment section. Thank you. This is my code also. Here you can refer that, and if you want the submission link, it is in the description. Go and check it. Thank you.